STSS stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Sharp's technology is melting. Yeah, 72% down. It's really tough, but let's figure this thing out. I've done 38,000 videos, spent 5 figures, courses, mentors. I have more videos made than anyone else, and all of them, they're documented with my proof of what's working, what's not. Using common factors, that like data analysis, I've seen what's making me money and what's not, because I have all that data documented on my YouTube channel. And specifically with STSS, it's still a bearish market. Like, I get it. This is on the NASDAQ. Might be getting delisted, who knows? But this is like been so fast since this thing fell down. Like, it hasn't been even like a month plus 2. But I think we have an upcoming like a reverse split or whatever. Might as well get delisted. We're gonna see. But for me, it's like one heck of a bearish market. I'm not even gonna be surprised if there's like a random pump out of nowhere now. But I'm just saying, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.